How to change the controller. First, remove the 4 screws on the surface. Then we pull this out and take out the screw on the surface of the battery holder. Then we can remove the battery holder to one side. Then we go to the back wheel. Slowly remove this screw until this line fall off. Then pull this out. Follow the order, take out the line. Cut the tie off to disconnect the controller. And put it through the hole. Find this part in the controller and disconnect it. Then we can pull the wire out. And disconnect it. Then we can take out the entire controller. And after we replace it with a new controller. Get one wire, any kind would be okay, put it through the hole and take it out. Put through the wire of the new controller. And put the controller in. Tie the wire we used before with the controller wire. Put the controller wire in. And pull our wire from the other side. To let the controller wire go through the hole. Then get rid of the ties. Connect the controller. And tie it. Then put all the wire through it. And before we connect, remember, these 4 wires do not need to be connected. Connect this one. And this one. Then we stuck the wires in. Then we connect the wire red to red, black to black. And install this case back. Tighten the 4 screws. We do the same on battery holder. At the end we put this wire back. Pull through the wire from the bottom and put it back in order. And tighten the screw. Well done, you have finished the tutorial.